This is Driver 3, our third video for tonight, July 1st, 2009. Excuse me. Here we go now, so I was driving. We got the car play after him. I was my AOL Instant Messenger. Oh, I get the hiccups. Turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right. Tyler's taking a different route tonight. Oh! Oh! Wow! Oh, I got hiccups. Damn it. Oh! And look. Wow. So I got the hiccups, man. Copycatter. Stop it. I really have the hiccups. I gotta calm down. Stop it. Stop. He goes. Stop it. You go now. Stop it. I really have the hiccup. You stop it. Hiccup. Stop it. Okay, here you go now. Stop it. Here you go. I have the hiccup. Stop it. It's not good for you. Stop it. Stop it. I got the. There you go. Stop it. I got the hiccup. You stop it. You stop that. I'm going to throw this ball at you. Stop it. Oh my God. Shut up. Will you stop it? Stop that. Shut up. Yo, they went away. They went away now. Oh my God, what a hit. Shut up. I gotta drink something now. Whoa! I really had the hiccups. Niggas fun of me. Oh, up in the air! Oh! Damn it. Oh, what a hit! Oh my God. Oh! Oh, that person! I gotta zoom in on that. Oh my God, you saw that.
I almost did hit by the balls.
Oh my God. No, 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 no. No, this is a good video. Get out of there. Yo, come on. No. No. No, get out of there. This is a good video. Don't ruin it. Get out of there. No. Don't go in there. Oh, go to the guardrail. Go to the guardrail. Go to the guardrail. Yeah. Go to the guardrail. Seriously, don't go in there. Don't go in there. Come on. I'm gonna keep this video. Don't go in there. Do not go in there. I'll give you another cookie. Don't go in there. Don't go in there, I said. Damn you. Don't go in there. Damn it. Get out of there. Get out of there. Don't screw me. Get out of there. Get out of there. Don't fight me. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there, you hiccup one boy. Get out of there. Come on. Come on. Get out of there. Go. Get out of there. You hit the snack machine. Get out of there. Hurry up before my battery dies. Go. Get out of there. Go to the guardrail. Go. Or whatever. Ow. Remote control hit my foot. Ow. Left. Oh my God, here we go. Up in the air. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Wow, you stayed in the... Oh my God. Oh my God, you're gonna back up the car now. How? He's still back up with the car. Oh, he took the door off. Oh my God. Oh my God, here we go. Oh my God, here we go. Oh my God, up in the air! No! Man, oh! Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening. Hiccup? Bye-bye.